In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send bulk emails in Fastmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Fastmail like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu and go over to contacts to send bulk emails. Then from here, you should bring something like this. And here you can see all contacts, VIPs, recent, and from here you'll see all of your existing contacts. Then from here, to create a bulk email, you need to select all of those contacts that you want to send the mail to. Then from here, let's just choose all of my contacts. Then from here, you can go up to compose to all, like so. And as you can see here, to both Mike and Freddy over here. Now you can add in a subject. You can add attachment if you want to do that by either uploading files attached from file storage or attached from Dropbox. And here you can also write in the mail, and from here you can either send it or you can schedule the send for later today or next week. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!